Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mei Lestari. Here I, as the moderator, would like to explain about the conditional sentence group of I consisting of first Anissa Firdaus Sadia, second Ahmad Siddiq Rizal Nur Hakiki, third Mei Lestari, fourth Alvina Dewi Arini, and fifth Muhammad Syahrul Alif Habibi.
Okay, my friend, here I will explain about conditional sentence. Conditional sentence are sentences in English that are used to express wish, hopes, assumption, or plans that may or may not be realized. The general formula for conditional sentence is if plus condition plus consequence, or condition plus if plus consequence. So, conditional sentence merupakan suatu kalimat dalam bahasa Inggris yang digunakan untuk mengungkapkan keinginan, harapan, pengandaian, atau rencana yang mungkin dapat atau tidak dapat terwujud. Rumus umum dari conditional sentence ialah if plus condition plus consequence atau condition plus if plus consequence.
Characteristic of conditional sentence. Conditional sentence generally have the following characteristic. A. The if word is used in a subordinate clause because this clause begins with in if it is called an if clause. B. The use of auxiliary modalities such as will, can, might, must, would, could, make at the main sentence. So, ciri-ciri conditional sentence. Conditional sentence pada umumnya memiliki ciri-ciri sebagai berikut. A. Digunakannya kata if dalam anak kalimat atau subordinate clause. Karena clause ini diawali oleh if, maka disebut if clause. B. Digunakannya modal auxiliary seperti will, can, might, must, would, could, make pada pokok kalimat atau main clause.
Now I want to tell you about type of conditional sentence. There is 4 type of conditional sentence. First is zero conditional. Zero conditional is used to explain the law of cause effect which is already absolute. Nah, zero conditional ini digunakan untuk menerangkan hukum sebab akibat yang sudah mutlak. Contohnya seperti if you heat water, it boils. Jika kamu memanaskan air, itu akan mendidih. The second one is first conditional. First conditional is used to express something that will happen in the future. Nah, first conditional ini digunakan untuk mengungkapkan sesuatu yang akan terjadi di masa depan. Contohnya seperti if you study, you will pass the exam. Jika kamu belajar, kamu akan lulus ujian. And then second conditional. Second conditional is used to express something that will happen in the future. If now the conditional are different. Second conditional ini untuk mengungkapkan sesuatu yang tidak akan terjadi atau kemungkinan kecil terjadi saat ini maupun di masa depan. Tipe ini biasanya digunakan untuk berandai-andai. Contohnya seperti if I were you, I would rest right now. Jika aku adalah kamu, aku akan beristirahat sekarang. And the last one is third conditional. Third conditional is used to express something that cannot happen because it has passed. Jadi third conditional ini digunakan untuk mengungkapkan sesuatu yang tidak mungkin terjadi karena sudah berlalu. Contohnya seperti I wouldn't have been here if he had not saved me. After we learn about the type of conditional sentence, Next, we learn the formula of conditional sentence to know how to use conditional sentence. Setelah kita mengetahui tipe-tipe conditional sentence, sekarang kita belajar tentang formula dari tipe-tipe conditional sentence. Yang pertama, tipe 0, yaitu if plus simple present plus simple present, atau juga simple present plus if plus simple present. Yang kedua, tipe 1, yaitu if plus simple present plus simple future. Yang kedua, if simple present plus imperative. Yang ketiga itu ada tipe kedua. Formulanya yaitu if plus past tense plus past future, atau juga bisa past future plus if plus past tense. Tipe yang terakhir yaitu tipe 3, if plus past perfect tense plus past future perfect tense.
I will explain about the types of conditional sentence along with examples. Conditional sentence are divided into 4, namely conditional sentence of type 1, type 2, type 3, and type 0. I here explains 2 kinds of conditional sentence, namely conditional sentence of type 1 and type 2, which are explained by the next speaker. These types uses the simple present tense, and the result or main clause uses the present future tense. The formula conditional sentence type 1, that is if plus past perfect tense plus past future perfect tense. Example, if I have enough money, I will go to Japan. Simple presentnya I have enough money. Present future-nya I will go to Japan. Jika if-nya di tengah, present future-nya di depan, sedangkan simple present-nya di belakang. Contohnya, I will go to Japan if I have enough money. The next conditional sentence type 2, conditional sentence type 2 that are impossible or almost impossible to fulfill or occur because what is condition is the past tense. The formula conditional sentence type 2, that is if plus past tense past future. I were you, past tense. I would do something like that, past future. Jika if-nya di tengah, past future, if past tense. I would do something like that, past future. If I were you, past tense.
This time I will explain the conditional sentence type 3 and type 0.
This type 3 conditional sentence seems to be rarely used in other types of conditional sentence. Type 3 conditional function refer to past impossible condition and their result in the past. These sentences are completely hypothetical and unreal because it is too late to do so now and the outcome is impossible. There is always implication of regret in conditional type 3 sentence. The reality is the opposite of what the sentence states. In type 3 conditional sentence, the time is past and the situation is presupposed or not real. Kalimat kondisional tipe 3 ini sepertinya yang jarang digunakan dalam kalimat kondisional lainnya. Fungsi tipe 3 kondisional mengacu pada kondisi tidak mungkin di masa lalu dan hasilnya di masa lalu. Kalimat-kalimat ini benar-benar merupakan pengandaian dan tidak nyata karena sudah terlambat untuk dilakukan sekarang dan hasilnya sudah tidak mungkin terjadi. selalu ada implikasi penyesalan dalam kalimat tipe 3 kondisional ini. Kenyataannya merupakan kebalikan dari yang dinyatakan oleh kalimat. Dalam kalimat tipe 3 kondisional, waktunya adalah masa lalu dan situasinya merupakan pengandaian atau tidak nyata. This conditional sentence is if the clause use the past perfect tense and the main clause use the past future perfect tense. Kalimat kondisional ini if clause-nya menggunakan past perfect tense dan main clause-nya menggunakan past future perfect tense. The formula conditional sentence type 3 that is if plus past perfect tense plus past future perfect tense. Example, if you had remembered to invite me, I will have attended your party. You had remembered to invite me past perfect tense, and I would have attended your party past future perfect tense. Conditional sentence type 0. There is no specific time to using this conditional. This conditional usually used to describe the logical assurance, the if clause nor the main clause, but of using simple present tense. Conditional sentence type 0 yaitu tidak ada waktu khusus untuk menggunakan kondisional ini. Kondisional ini biasanya digunakan untuk menggambarkan kejadian umum atau kejadian secara logika. Tenses yang digunakan baik if clause-nya maupun main clause-nya ialah simple present tense. The formula conditional sentence type 0, that is if plus simple present tense plus simple present tense. Example, if you had the snow, it becomes water. You had the snow, simple present. It becomes water, simple present.
Well, that's the explanation from our group about conditional sentence, more or less apology. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.